Good afternoon, Mom. I am Flor Delisa Sanchez and I am 31 years old and a single mom, and I have four kids and three daughters and one son, and ages of my daughters are 12 years old, 9 years old, and 6 years old, and age of my son is 10 years old. And my educational attainment that I completely graduated and finished, and I already graduated in high school and last 2009 and 2010 in Bohol Province Institute here in San Isidro, Bohol, Philippines. And I also graduated with diploma and the university here also in Bohol and Bohol Island State University last 2021, a course of Caregiver Institute and Healthcare Institute. And I also finished my training certification in TESDA Bohol as a Caregiver Institute and Healthcare Institute. And I also attending another university also here in Bohol, Philippines, and University of Bohol. I started last 2022 until this present year 2024 in a course of uh, Bachelor Science and Nursing at a third year irregular student level. And my work experience is I am all around helper and nanny in a family in 5 years, and the family is have three kids, ages of uh, 12 years old, 4 years old, and a newborn baby. In the third child is a newborn baby, and I resigned until the newborn baby is 4 years old. And my second work experience is all around, all same thing, all around nanny and all around helper in a second employer in a family with two kids and uh, three three pets. And that second family that I worked before is have 14 years old older, and the younger is 8 years old, and they have pet. um, a father of that family, my boss employer is have chicken pets and that I care, and the childrens that I also taking care as a nanny is they have also a cat and pet and also a dog pet. And that 5 years and 2 years I work as um, I do the cooking, cleaning, nanny, and etc. And then the third the other work experience I in my past job experience as I started 2017 until 2021 as a caregiver and all around caregiver. And I work in the 84 years old bedridden male patient, uh, and mas and other job experience I started 2021 until this year, until present this year 2024 is a black American with 60 with age of 68 years old, um 68 years old, and diagnosed with COPD and a hypertension. And I I my job and my work in that patient as a all around caregiver is I I cook for my patient. I cook, I clean, I washing clothes, I drive, I clean, and I take taking her vital signs and her medication, preparing her medication, and etc. And then my second patient is still a male disabled patient with diagnosis of diabetic and one leg. Then I started also last 2021 until this present year 2024. 24 is a half Filipino and half Chinese. And my work in that in this present is still all around caregiver. I do cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, drive, taking vital signs, medication, preparing everything, and etc. And my qualification as a applicant and as a employee is I know how to do uh, cleaning, driving in a motorcycles and a four wheels car, automatic car, and I also do know how to handling and taking care of pets, and I also know how I also taking care of elderly, a disabled, a bedridden, a adult, a toddler, a child, and also a newborn baby. And I also know how to cook, and I also know how to cook um, like Filipino food and some of foreign food or Asian foods. And I know how to cook a Chinese food also, a little, and like a way of cooking of steaming, fried, fried and and also soap. But I'm also willingly and able to learn more in way of cooking in Chinese food.